Let's start with our checklists. For thorough preparation of your project, you'll be guided through the key points and benefit from our extensive experience, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Now let's focus on your processes. We want to understand how you work so that we can improve your workflows together. And that's exactly what we do here in our SAP Mobility Cockpit. We don't start from scratch. For all common workflows, we have compiled proven templates, from receiving goods through production processes to shipping. At this stage, you can choose from various options. Depending on how you work, we follow your process and show you in the cockpit what your app could look like in the end. For a tailored solution, we discuss every detail because all dialogues are fully customizable and tailored to the SAP modules in use at your company. From project setup to seamless integration, we have everything ready for you.